The Sunsun HW-5000. I bought 3 of them. I have one working now, which is amazing. As you can see, no lights are flashing. I just purchased these. These are not even a week old. This is my tank. 225 gallons. I bought 2. Well, this is the problem. I know why they're inexpensive. They look great, but they don't function. I took the UV light out of this one because I was running this one and said the UV was no good. The bulbs are fine. The computer is fine. As a pump, it's okay. UV, forget it. Pressure, ain't that great. So far, after a week, the motor in this one is gone. This one here is no more good. This one here, the UV don't work. I took the UV out of this one and put it in this one. Put it in, no problem. It doesn't work. Took that monitor and put it on this one. It's still coming up with a 20, F20. For people that like Sunsun, I thought this was great. I overrated it. I was immature. I buy 3 of them. All 3 had problems. Leaking, which was easy to repair. Pumping system, okay. Motor, no good. Don't de-check these things. The motor is no good at all. It rattles like crazy. I took it out, looked at it. All 3 are the exact same. Maybe when they were putting on the lathe and they were bringing down the doing the inside, lathing it out or whatever they were doing, it's too big. You can't even. It's like having a sports car in your house. This one, I had a problem with the hoses leaking, and not at the connections. The lines actually were leaking from in between where they were sealed together. They were leaking. Tried to repair it. What else can I say? As far as filtering, this has been on now for a week. It started to come through. It's a brand new tank, so it's going to take time to get it. It's going to take time for it to get clear. My suggestion is, it's a good pump for filtering. Power, it's okay. What they're saying is baloney. It's no way this is pushing out what it says it does. Empty, maybe. I thought at first when I put it on, it was like a jet airplane. It was fantastic, and all of a sudden, after a little while, you know, I've got it running full blast, and it's, you know, the water is moving one side. What other problems is there? Oh, the connections are fine. Draining was fine. I guess the real issue is the motor and the UV light and that little computer. They seem to be might be having a problem. So if you like it for just a pump, it's fine. If you expect it to be wonderful, it ain't. It's not that great. Now, this is only because I have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and I bought them from Amazon. Now, they said, oh, I can bring them back. I'm in Canada. I paid over $1,000 for these American, like transferred over to American. So, for me to ship them back, it ain't worth my time. So I'll use one as a pump, and I'll use the other one as long as it lasts, and then basically scrap it. I'll eat the $1,000. Just because I thought this was a great, fantastic filter that they came out with. The H5000, now, what's the chances of getting 3 bad filters in a row? I don't know. So I'm not going to say the person that I got them from, the aquarium place where I got them from, because that's not fair to them. How would they know? When it was delivered, the boxes were pretty beat up. So I don't know. I take care of my stuff pretty good. So again, this is a little long. I suggest that my point of view is I suggest you don't buy the HW-5000 because it's not really what you really think. Okay? And from my experience with aquariums for the last 50 years, the deal was just too good to be true. So thank you very much. Again, I'm not putting Sunsun down, or Sunsun down, sorry. Sunsun, yeah, Sunsun. Some money went down the drain this time. So Sunsun, you know, I'm sorry about this, but you know, you really came up with a product that was very, you know, I was not happy. And another thing is I can't find where I could buy the parts for it. I've tried Sunsun, Sunsun, I've tried them, can't get nothing online. So buying this thing, you have to understand, getting parts will be impossible at this time because it's supposed to be new. Anyways, thank you. I'm sorry to say the bad news about this filter, but I'm being honest, it is garbage. Good as a filter system, anything else, it's garbage. So take care, goodbye.